YouTube. There we go. We're live. Wow. That's 21.1% of renters in New York are behind on payments. Yikes. All right, we're live on YouTube now. So those of you hopping in, we're gonna go ahead and just 2 or 3 seconds, and we're gonna go ahead and get started here. So. How's y'all's morning going so far? Somebody could have made an entire day's profit in pre-market here, guys. My runners on VRPX from my original entry are now worth more than almost the entirety of the trade was in the beginning of the entry. So, wow. All right, so let's just briefly cover the news really quickly, and then we're gonna go ahead and get to it. Let's see here. Yeah, there's a lot of renters. What's up, Opticy? There it is. There it is. Okay. All right, good morning. What's up, everybody on YouTube? Guys, VRPX is curling back up, and I can't help but think that this thing might still run. I'm not quite sure. It's hard to even try and enter something at this low, but this one is pushing here. Pre-market POAI. There's another one that's coming up on my scanner here, but that one's algo traded like no other. BKYI. I haven't seen too much craziness this morning in pre-market. All right, so let's go. What's the push behind VRPX? That was biopharmaceutical news. I think I have it right here. It's VRPX. I saw the news as it came in. That's why I ended up grabbing that so early. But so their shares are trading higher after the company received an IND response from the FDA. The company said it believes the results of response support further to MMSO19 as a treatment against SARS and influenza. So essentially, pharmaceutical fight COVID symptoms, COVID in general. So, all right. So, Fed minutes, guys. Right off the bat, likely to detail bond buying, tapering talks, inflation worries are hitting. Insights into the Federal Reserve's debate over when its end of pandemic programs and level of concern among officials over a spike in inflation should emerge with the release of a readout of the U.S. Central Bank's policy meeting last month. Target sales beat as shoppers go back to stores. Online buying sags. That's to be expected. Target beat analyst estimates for same-store sales as shoppers visited the stores to buy clothes and stock up on back-to-school essentials, even though they bought less online. U.S. senators urge FTC probe into Tesla over self-driving claims. 2 U.S. senators fed Federal Trade Commission to probe Tesla, saying the company misled consumers and endangered the public by marketing its driving automation system as fully self-driving. Lowe's forecast higher sales on big-ticket purchases offsets DIY slowdown. Lowe's forecast full-year sales above estimates as higher spending on big-ticket items offset some of the slowdown in demand for the company's core do-it-yourself customers, sending its shares up in pre-market trading. Rubio wants Biden to block TikTok after Chinese government stake in subsidiary of parent company. Please don't. Let's see. Futures tracking S&P 500 and the Dow fell on rising cases of COVID-19 Delta variant while investors awaited minutes from the Federal Reserve's July policy meeting. European stocks ticked up as investors favored real estate and healthcare stocks over economically sensitive sectors. Asian markets snapped their fourth day losing streak with Japan's Nikkei closing higher, led by gains in defensive stocks and Chinese shares ending in the green as the financial stocks bounced back on Beijing's vow to forestall major financial risk. Gold prices little changed while the dollar slipped. Oil prices steadied after 4 days of declines. Stocks that we have coming in on their watch list, at least. This is the morning news call. But we got Krispy Kreme. The company forecasted stronger than annual revenue after beating its quarterly estimates, betting on its online business drive-through new menu items to soften any hit COVID-19 Delta variant. Net revenue rose 42.6%. The company also said it plans to raise prices in September to offset higher labor and commodity costs. As donut maker forecast annual net revenue between $1.34 billion and $1.38 billion, as much as 23% higher than last year, compared to Revenda's IBES estimates of $1.34 billion. DNUT is actually one that, if anybody's in PMCB, I think I saw that Swappy was buying that this morning. Is that correct, Swappy? Did you buy that this morning? Yeah, PCMB. So he's in that one as well. Nice fill on that one. Good job. I'm looking for my second fill here above 565 for a curl. I'm looking for this to curl up, and I think we could see some continuation from that one. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, that's fine. You guys can always ask me questions. Yellow. No. All right. Well, I see some pullbacks potentially, but all right. Let me check your guys' messages really quick. Make sure I'm not missing anything. Yeah, that one already went over that. We did get a pretty nice price upgrade on Walmart to 170. That's coming from Raymond James. Home Depot also got a price target cut by Jefferies. You know that I wonder if that is going to end up affecting some of those other we also have a pretty lined up earnings week as well, our earnings day. We had targets already, Nvidia, Robinhood, Lowe's, Smuckers, Cisco Systems, all of those coming in. Bed Bath & Beyond as well. So I'm watching NNDM here in pre-market to see if we're going to get any movement on that one. So S&P looks like it's going to fall right now. At least it does look like it's not going to end up breaking above that. So all right. As you guys can see here, it looks like GRVI just got a price spike here in the last couple seconds, so we'll take a look at that. that's how I kind of go and look at it. This is how I use the scanner here in pre-market. I look for, so look at that, a session high on Workhorse, 947. Okay, that kind of stuff kind of will bring my attention to certain, like, okay, why the hell is that on there? UVXY, look at UVXY making new highs here. What's Workhorse doing? Hey, look how Workhorse is holding up here in pre-market. Interesting. Alright, so I am going to be watching AMD and NVIDIA today. Let's see here. I still have Roblox on my watch list, but everything at the moment, guys, is, I think we're in the middle of a lot of indecision. And at the moment, I'm actually looking at triggers on whether or not the stocks or certain stocks that I'm watching are going to pull back. So, without jumping into anything, I've got pretty much the same stocks on my watch list. Microsoft, Roblox, I've got SC on here, I've got Tesla, NVIDIA, and Facebook. They have, Microsoft doesn't really have that great of a setup right now. This candle right here would have ended as a doji, but we've already seen a pullback here in pre-market. I'm thinking that we're going to see Microsoft down to 290 today at a minimum. And then obviously it's important that we go over the Qs and stuff like that. So if you take a look here at the Qs, go to the 4-hour time frame, you guys can see that we are back to the same old shit from the Qs at the moment, pretty much back in this range. So this is the torture chamber that has been this chop zone for the Qs, in between 364 and this 370, basically 369.50. Even all the way down, if you drop this down, you can see at 361.87. A lot of chop here, guys, and this is not what you want to see at the top of the channel like this. So in my opinion, guys, it is that we are more prone for a pullback at this point, and honestly I'd like to see the Qs below 360, somewhere around 358, and that would likely put it back down towards linear deviation for a potential bounce. So PRTK. Let's take a peek at the economic calendar really quickly. So today is the 18th. We already got housing, I believe, that already came out. We got, the forecast was 100 and, okay, 1,605 and 1,534 was the actual. Okay, let me send it to Atlas. Also, guys, if we have low volume by 10 o'clock, we're probably going to go ahead and call it a day. Not a whole day, but I'm not going to sit here and lose money today. If we make money, then we need to be happy with that. So keep it moving. All right. PRTK. Where do you get your news? I've been using Market Watch. Any suggestion? Yeah, Zach. I mean, obviously, I'm going to be using Benzinga Pro. That's going to give me the fastest news. So I get news kind of as it comes in. That's right here. Hey guys, that's enough of that before I just go ahead and not ignore that. So VIAC came up in my pre-market scanner multiple times here this morning. I think it might be ready for some sort of uptake. We'll see what happens, but. Okay, anyway guys, I am going to be watching Viacom's. They've got some price target raises above $60. It's definitely one to watch. Might end up taking a swing trade on that one as well. It's 40.50, we got a wick there. Alright, trying to see if there's anything new in here in pre-market. Oh my god, hey, penny people. Hold on. SNGX. I'm just gonna buy a little bit of this. This has got crazy. Let me go back and look at the hourly. I don't think I've seen. Okay, it does get random pops here. All right, let's see random. We got earnings this morning. Is that what's happening here? $1.30. I might add a little bit here. Okay. That was a big pop there, but no volume, so I'm gonna go ahead and hold off on that one just for a second. That was a big pop though. We'll keep an alert on set on that one. There we go. That's more like it. That's more like it. Okay, so let's keep our eyes peeled on ORMP. That's what I want to see when I see a stock bounce. Look at that. Not bad at all. And it looks like you got a break in downtrend as well. Yeah, that's what that is. So. Oh shit. Morning. Oh shit, you know what? If you guys are talking, I don't have my headphones on. Keep your eyes peeled on ORPH, especially above 18 bucks. Sorry, I'm signing into my brokerage right now. What's up? What's up? Somebody came in here to brag about the money that they made. I make more money in Hex than any trader. Very cool. Thank you for your meaningful contribution this morning. Let's see, let's look at your page. All right, we'll add you to the list of people to maybe go and comment on your stuff later for no reason. Screenshot that. Yeah, I'll shoot you a follow so I can come and you can show me how I'm doing everything. That's bragging, dude. Don't, I make more, that's bullshit, dude. People are liars. I love when people do that kind of stuff. That's bullshit, so. If you want to tell people about heck, make a post about it, dude. Don't come in here. Out of here. Just leave before I block you. Sorry, guys. All right, so plus you're misleading people who don't know anything about that. So, all right, what else do we got here? We got Microsoft, Tesla calls. Guys, by the way, I think Tesla is worth watching today as well. Of course, set alert around 674.50. That's one of the major marks that I'm watching for Tesla. That's pre-market highs. I think from pre-market highs, you could see a push to 685. That was a big drop yesterday. So, what is IYM? Look at that. You are. You're still in here too. Here, 1 second. Because I just recorded all of that too. So what you said. Oh, I just recorded screenshotted all of this. So it's good. And we're gonna make a nice video on your content and how you feel. So, that's what I do, so. Bye. Look at that. Okay, 6:59, it's almost 9 o'clock. We got 30 minutes, guys. Can I look at any guys watching anything? There's a couple of different stocks that are, I've had a couple of requests for Square this morning. I think Facebook as well. Oh, wow. Yo, that's crazy. iShares US Basic Materials ETF popped up to 139.
It's 9 o'clock.
How you doing, man? Never done investing for any pointers? Yeah, just start listening to investors. I think that charting and technical analysis is one of those things that is often better done via human interaction. So if you have somebody to talk to and conversate about it, it always makes it easier. So. All right. Everything looks pretty bearish this morning, guys. I mean, I'm looking at Microsoft, and I mean, it's curled over here. We'd like to see a pop anywhere below 291.85. This thing's going back down to 290, so. Yeah. How's Roku looking for a bounce? Thinking of a $400 swing. Yeah. Zach, also sign up. I know this is late. I don't even know if you're here, but Zach, if you're here, sign up for. There's a couple different newsletters that you can sign up for. The morning news call that's the one that I read the news off of quite often. So this is actually my inbox right now. So far, I get the European news call, which is totally worth reading. I don't know some of the stuff that they're talking about, but I still read it. Bloomberg Politics, that usually comes in around 6:30. The European news call comes in at 1 a.m. But Seeking Alpha, I get those around 6:50. Pre-market summary And I mean, I can. Nah, I'm not going to do that actually. I was gonna say I can pull it over to show you, but I don't want you to see my email right now. I have this is my personal email as well. So, Seeking Alpha, and then Benzinga, and then as well as the morning news call. The morning news call comes from Rinventive, and it's also partnered with StockTwits. So, this StockTwits. Daily Rip is a really good newsletter to read. Oh shit! Thank you. Yo, I'm mad sorry. Good morning, Georgie. Yo, I muted myself, Snee. I'm sorry, everybody. Thank you. Good morning. I'm good, Georgie. How are you? I am chugging the coffee.
Yeah, I have the coffee, to be honest, in front of me with Red Bull as well.
My God, you're ready to go to the moon.
I didn't have good sleep. My wife took a new dog yesterday, and she let him to sleep in the same room.
Yeah.
And all the night that dog, he doesn't sleep, man. I was like feeling at the end, I'm gonna take him and throw him outside. The way he was like 5 in the morning, 3 in the morning, trying to jump into bed.
Wow, that's I don't even know how you're awake, dude. That sounds like a baby.
It's 8 weeks.
Yes, dude. Dogs are underestimated. They are very like as far as like the baby stage, like cats, like the mom pretty much like, but like dogs, man, like that they're part of your family. Do you guys? We've had to put diapers on our dogs before and stuff like that. So, puppy pads.
Yeah, they got some training pads.
Training pads, yeah. I used to tell people, yeah, I just call those bed sheets.
Bed sheets.
Oh man.
I catch my son. He was trying to give him a playing though.
He was trying to give him what?
A play doh.
Oh please! Oh my God!
He's telling me he's hungry.
No. That's like Peppa Pig. We have like the little Peppa Pig like toys, and my daughter will shove them in her food and be like, "Peppa, eat!" I'm like, "Oh my God!" Like Peppa's gonna suffocate in the gravy, girl. Like, be careful.
This is the dog.
Is it? Let's take a look at Let's take a look at our earnings here. Let's go take a look at the ones that have reported this morning. Maybe we might catch.
Nano Dimension. I think they have good results.
Yeah, and I think they moved up. I saw them on digital. DGLY also had earnings. DGLY. You know what I'm gonna do here? I'm gonna split my screen up. And I'm gonna add all of these interesting earning companies to it. Cisco, they have after the bell.
So, if DDD might run in sympathy and the
Yeah.
they run.
What's your thoughts on AMD this morning? I'm thinking it's got a bilateral pattern on the 5 and it keeps extending itself. It almost looks like a head and shoulders. I'm taking this. I'm not touching AMD unless it closes below 105.
It does look head and shoulders.
It does have that like hourly, but it could very well double like bottom off of this. But you can see like buyers are holding it up, but sellers are very much above. In
4 hours as well. Look at it.
Yeah, that's exactly what you don't want to see on the. That's the 50-day EMA too. You don't want to see that, and the volume is very rapidly dissipating. So, wow, Tesla. Hey guys, Tesla has a gap to fill to 662, 663. That may be those of you who are scalping. that may be worth a shot for a gap fill, even if you just take it to 665, which is a safer target. So let me write that down because I actually think I like Tesla for a quick scalp at the bell. If you guys are capable, or not, that sounded like I was insulting you. If your brokers are capable, aka not Robinhood.
It could be like 3-4 minutes a scalp, so you have to be in and out quick.
Yeah, maybe even quicker. So, and if you don't have the capital size, right? And I'm discussing this like as for future reference too. So we see the size of the gap, we see the potential dollar move, right? So taking a 665 put is going to probably be the first contract that pops up. You may end up getting a pre-market bounce to 672.65 right there, that 9. But if you end up rejecting that, I would take this below 668.50 for a gap fill. The first target to trim heavy 665. Second target would be 663. So,
I would keep an eye today on the Chinese EV, XPED, and NIO.
any news? Anything?
Yeah, I think maybe, I don't know. Baidu, some people they start buying shares. I don't remember the name of the company. So they up like around 1.4% in pre-market.
Yeah, look at Baidu at 144. Do you remember when we saw Baidu 150 puts come in and we thought they were? I was like, wow, that's crazy.
Why yeah. They always know something.
Of course, yeah. I mean, right now, Baidu has a very small gap to fill to 146. I'm not playing it to the upside until we have definitive, like, not even definitive, but rumors. You know, like solid rumors. Like, yeah, Chinese and, like, you know, American officials are working on, you know, something. Something of that nature, those headlines would be something that would allow me to take a leap. Because that's exactly what I would do on this in a situation like this. Is for options, I would take a leap. And really, the next target below Baidu is I don't want to say, yeah, Baidu's lowest. So if you look at Baidu, it is getting close to where it originally took off from, down in the 130. Yeah, it's crazy looking. So. Let's see if Astro.
It does have gap in the pre-market. It does have gap. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Gap from 142.
I'm muted. Oh no, it's just the mic. My bad. I completely skipped over Roku. My bad. Oh my god. Yeah, Roku actually looks crazy good, dude. Crazy good. One of the setups that is at a major supply zone as well. Let's go take a look at the floor here. So what you have right now is a falling wedge. You do have that reversal sign above 370, and Roku could end up moving rather well if volume steps up and we see correlating sector movement. It is and could very well see one more leg down to 344.75 at 345. But we are getting to that point for Roku. You do have a gap up, so watch for a bounce at 355. Set lots of alerts, 355. And then above 364.35, we could see some solid continuation there. I'm going to also set an alert at 360. So, or actually, I'm going to set an alert at pre-market highs, which is 360 on the dot. And that's going to be a major psychological number. But the setup on this is actually really nice. And I'm going to go and
I was looking at Roku yesterday, and the option is chain.
what was it telling you?
To be honest, I was looking at September, like around 420 call.
Yeah.
It's kind of a cheap.
I mean, it doesn't have a terrible setup.
Yeah. No, I think I'm gonna take just one. I'm not that option guy. I have equity, so.
You are the equity guy.
Yeah.
Ooh, Oku.
RBLX.
Yes, I did. I woke up to like 4 alerts.
That one it blew all, over all the levels.
Yeah,
Yeah,
$40.
Roku 24 September 420 core is just $585.
I just want to know what this means. Yo, Quicken Loans has the weirdest ads on the internet. It's just they just pick stock images. Like, this is just dry pasta. And they put a 30 fixed year mortgage on it. Like, what? I guess if you confuse people enough, they don't know what's going on. They just join your stuff. All right, yeah, I like 363.85 on Roku daily time frame. So,
I'm gonna watch it with the Krispy Kreme today.
same. I'm watching DNet.
You know why? Because last time I saw a van written on it AMC. I told you that day, and AMC started pushing.
Yeah.
The same today. I've seen a van. Krispy Kreme.
That was awesome. All right, we'll keep an eye on it for sure. All right, let's pull up an Option Pro workstation. Watch plug above 2650 today. Could see a nice pop into the 2831.
It did hold really good yesterday. The plug.
Yeah, I liked it. And it was bouncing off of major support, so. Also, if you guys are wondering why, like, and if it annoys you, please let me know. You know, like, I'll take a group vote. But, like, I listen to music in the morning, and especially stuff where I don't have to hear about other people's issues on a song, via song. I just like to listen to instrumental music. And it just keeps my nerves down, because I tend to feel the jitters or the nerves, you know, just like every other human on earth. That plays in the market, so
You used to listen to those massage music, isn't it?
massage music, yeah, there you go. Elevator music.
Whatever.
I used to play Optus, you weren't here. Yo, I used to play elevator. Look at this. Ask DJ. So there's some people in here. Yo, that's so funny. I googled it. So you let me do this. Look, I'm gonna reply to this message. Look at this message that I typed. This was back when we had the bot. Go click on that message. Play elevator music for 24 hours, and people would stay in the live at night. And I would hop in and I would throw the elevator bot in there, and it would just play music 24 for the rest of the night, which is not that funny, but I'm easily entertained, so I enjoyed it. Wow, the queues are looking yuck. What do you think about how did GRWG finish yesterday? Oof.
Didn't check it. I don't know. I seen like the ACP count is like it's really low at 673.
Yeah.
It does have kind of a head and shoulders as well. So,
Yeah.
you don't have a clear review about the candidates in US. You don't know what to do to approve it. I don't know, whatever it is. You don't have any clear path.
Good morning.
What's up, Hank?
What's that?
So,
What up, Georgie?
yeah, I'm good. I'm good. How about you?
I'm good, man. I'm great.
Yeah, happy to hear. Also, who filled that gap? Open house on the daily. They did fill it yesterday.
Oh, I'm
So
sorry.
I don't like it, but keep it on the watch. What you watching, Heck?
Let's see. I'll tell you in a second.
All right.
I got MNDY up on my list. They pushed big yesterday. VRPX is up a lot in pre-market.
Are you still in there?
VRPX?
Yeah.
No, I'm not in it.
Is anybody in there?
I trimmed yesterday, and I trimmed. I have just only 5% left from my entire position.
I left. I woke up this morning with the runners paying for the entirety of the entire trade from the original entry, because this reminds me. What is that fucking company that we got to fill on at like $7 and it ran to 60? TCAT. That's right.
Oh right, yeah.
I still have. I don't even think I've. I don't think I've. Yeah, I've.
ORP hedge.
Yep. Yeah. ORMP actually saw some pre-market movement here this morning, guys, as well. Target. Why am I not looking at Target right now? Oh my god. Can we buy the dip on that thing?
Target.
Yeah. 252 gap.
I realized those stocks they run on the whole, and when you see them they came back down to the low level, just start accumulating little bit. They're gonna run again, but you need to have patience.
Hey, ooh, look at Hood. Ooh.
Yeah, I was actually just looking at that.
Ooh, spicy.
I was telling him they closed that gap yesterday.
Yeah.
So
good morning. What's up, everybody on YouTube? Neo finally broke downtrend. XOM and Tilray News, yes. AMD, Masito Beauty Company. You got it. Hope you're feeling beautiful this morning. What is, okay. So AMD right now, we were just discussing this one. So you got a very, very harsh, very brief and quick rejection at 1185. From that time, you have seen the volume at its highest, its peak volume, its resting volume, and then it's continuing to decline here, right? So we're underneath that moving average that we want to be under. We're still, in fact, I would say the last 4 hours is the lowest volume that we've had on AMD in a couple weeks. So rather than struggle on whether or not this is going to be good for the up or the downside, I think it's just as simple enough as taking it out of its range when it gets there. So at the moment, it's showing not much strength or weakness in either direction, but holding that 50. So it's very, very, it's likely that if we continue to hold 105.50, that we will bottom out, maybe even handle up, and go for that another retest of 118. There is a lot of AMD flow, and I'm not sure if it's going to pull it up, but you can go, nope, I don't think you can, never mind. VRPX spiking down at the moment. What's APOP? Is that moving? But anyway, so for AMD, below, right, so just have this mark right here. So below that 50-day EMA, below that 105 psychological level, it is highly likely you see the 103.35 and then eventually the 101. So, Quinn, good morning. Also, Opticy, I know the exact hour that you arrived here. It's on my wall. Right next to your picture. I'm just kidding. Wow. Yeah, Tilray did have news. I'll set an alert on that one, but 1435. Is this my love music? Oh my god. Sushi. Do you guys want me to turn it off?
I can't hear it.
You can't? Oh,
I
that's
can't
right.
hear anything.
That's right. Admins, I made it to rule. Admins can't hear music. It's yeah.
Caracas and stuff.
I'm just kidding. Bring it, love, voice cater. What is going on? What?
Sushi. Sushi. Go to Gulag.
You can't hear it in. Really?
I can't hear anything.
Hold on, let me see.
Atlas, good morning. We can't hear you if you are speaking.
Yo, what's up, Georgie?
Oh yeah, I hear you now. You got rich from VRPX?
No, I didn't swing, bro.
Bro,
Do you
bro,
see
bro.
AZRX?
I always told you, leave on the table.
Oh, I left like 10 shares.
Can you hear it
That's
now?
not rich.
I mean, but those shares did pay for like almost the whole trade.
Yeah, no.
That's right.
You
Yes.
know what I do when I go in something?
Yeah.
You know me, I always leave 10%. But yesterday I saw like does have like kind of movement. So I added, and so my average ended up to be around 550.
Oh wow,
That's a good average, Georgie.
that was a good average.
That's a really good average. No, my average was 6 something yesterday.
It's still good, man.
I was a pre-IPO investor. My average was $0.
You know what you got for free?
Actually, yes, I helped them move couches into the facility, and they gave me some shares.
Ain't one way to do it, right?
Yo, if you're starting off like that low, I guess so.
I mean, shit, bro. I'd do it for Elon. I'll move all the couches he needs. Just give me some Tesla shares.
How many you want?
Put on some
How
pump
many
on
couches
music.
do you want me to move, Georgie?
Huh?
I said, how many couches do you want me to move?
Carry 2 couches. I will give you 1,000 shares.
Deal. You tell me where those couches are right now. I'll go pick them up personally.
Yeah, in London, but you got to move before afternoon.
All right, we got 5 minutes.
All
my
the way in
friends.
London. All right. I need to get on the jet, an express jet, real quick.
Hey, real quick, everybody. Just in regards to the small account, we're gonna sit and we're gonna wait for the right opportunity, the right volume, and the right just climate period. So if we don't end up being able to take a trade, or we end up taking a swing, so be it. Okay, so guys,
Austin, I'm keeping an eye on ENVB. Because, yeah, it's running a pre-market. Look at it, Garrett. ENVB.
Yes, I saw that one. Yeah. Oh my god, it's moving again. Okay, let's see. We got that one, and I saw Bumble just pop up on my scanner, but this one actually looks really bearish. I don't know why. I'm just not seeing. Do you got any clean? I just don't have a lot of clean setups right now. Like a very ugly setup right now. I think Roblox, like he's talking about, is actually still on the list, but I'm just trying to find a good.
Pick a hood today if I see good volume.
I'll watch that one with you. I got Roku up on my watch list as well, so Roku has a.
I'm out on A as well. It did run pre-market and after hour to around 410 or 5. This was the high. So. liquid, around 400 support. Gonna read that one maybe. Just gonna dump at the open and bounce there.
Watching GM.
I got EDR on my watch list too. Atlas, that's the UFC stock we were talking about before.
Yo, Robin Hood already in pre-market is moving.
For BMCB, someone asked about it. I'm looking to the $7 break. Yeah, it does have a gap. If you can see, it does have a gap. It filled that gap in the pre-market, but $7 now is kind of wow.
Oh yeah, look at Hood.
I just got alert on Hood.
Yeah, Hood's looking interesting here. Yeah, watch AMC above 38.60 today. We could see a tap of, I think $40 by the end of the week is not too far-fetched. As far as GM is concerned, I think it has already gapped up and then immediately filled its gap. So it's pretty clear cut here. Anywhere around, as it gets closer to the break of 50, that's what you're going to be wanting to watch for there. So if it climbs above or starts to kind of reverse at this mark of 38.50, may be good to cut runners. But it's still very bearish in my opinion. So.
That's cool. My mRNA is pumping.
I'm watching Myrna, Zoom, Novax, Roku, XLF, BA, VRPX, Hood, Monday, Bayek.
I saw Monday.
Tesla Solar. What's that?
I saw them.
I'm gonna watch Zoom with you as well.
Watching Amazon for a bounce.
Yeah, keep an eye on the vaccine today.
Folk is back up on my scanner this morning.
What is that? What ticker?
Fulcrum Therapeutics. They actually
Fulcrum.
they're actually holding up rather well. They're holding the 20, and I don't know if they have options yet, but they're holding a flag at the moment. People who scalp equity, this one may be good as it starts to clear the 2350 level. So we're watching for a very high level. All right, we're on live. So.
Ding ding ding.
All right, guys.
Oh, Nvidia has earnings today.
Yes. Yeah, that one's on the watch list.
There goes Moderna.
Fulcrum already moving up here. GM popping, or not popping, but moving a little bit. I feel like this music's broken. I can't do that one. Alright, what do we got? Opening gaps. Grubhub opened with a big gap.
Zoom.
Zoom is moving? Oh man, that's terrible. I mean, it just looks the bottom right now. It needs to show something. Damn.
Tesla going.
Moderna.
Yo, Fulcrum. Okay, starting to push a little bit. Tilray flow coming in right now. I'm setting alert on Roku. Target here popping. I'm not taking that one though yet. Oh man, did I miss mRNA? Yeah, I sure did. How much is mRNA contracts? Extremely expensive.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, dude. What in the hell? Oh my god. Alright, hurry up. Jesus. Ads. Q's filled their gap. Okay. And now we're bouncing off that gap, guys. I don't know why, but something just told me to look at Square. That's because Square is moving a little bit. Oh shit, look at Square. 265 calls? Let's see. Oh, I see the downtrend here. Hold on, I think Square might have a bottom here. Hold on, just wait for this 5-minute volume to go. I'm not going to rush into that trade, but... Somebody just sent me a friend request on Discord, and I have to accept it because their name is Your Cinnamon Apple. Apple?
Roblo. Yep, Apple, Roblo.
Roblo. Roblo?
Yeah, Roblo.
Okay, Roblox. For me, the 208 EMA on the hour.
Yeah, Roblox is above 80.
Yeah, we need it. I need it above 873. All right, I'm eyeballing Square here for speculative entry. Hold on 1 second. Square. 270s. Let's see, where? That's too far away. I'd have to get 265s if I was going to take that trade, but I want to see it push and clear the pre-market. It looks good, guys. I think I'm going to take Square once it closes this 1-minute candle. Roku going to fill its gap here to the downside. Microsoft got it. Okay, good bounce. Yeah, that's a nice bounce, dude. What am I missing here? I'm not going to take it yet, Snee. 293.23. Then you can take that for the 294 target. All right, guys. I think I'm going to go ahead and take Square on this in about 40 seconds. But if those of you who are scalpers or whatever, it might be good to take. Hold on 1 second. Ooh, target's heading back down. Q's getting eaten back up. I'm totally okay with waiting for a little bit here. Roku pulling back down to what looks like is going to be support here. So watch this one to bounce at 354.33. Square. Did anybody take Square right there? Is anybody in Square? I think Square looks good here. It's at that level, so it's got to break 264 now. You guys did take Square? Okay, cool. Yeah, if it could break this 260. Okay, there you go. All right, next target. There you go. You got 265. I did not get filled, so I'm not in this trade, guys. So I'm just watching this for you right now. Tesla pop. Inverse head and shoulders. If you're in Square, your next target right now is 265.23. Target broken. Next target now is 266.84. Okay, hold on. Target almost broken. Almost. It might be good to trim here if you're in heavy. Good play though. Fuck, I should have got my original entry. I don't know. Did you guys hear me this morning? I was like, something just told me to look at Square. Fuck, and that's the one that ran. I didn't even get filled. Lows. Yo, Lows. Watch Lows here. Lows is actually really, really pushing. MRA flushing bids. All right, Square has good momentum right now. I think 267.75 with a better push here. Let's go to Lows and take a step back here. If you guys got Square, great job. All right, so check this out. 4-hour downtrend here. Look at Lows. It is up against that rejection point at right now. 193.50 is going to end up being a great entry, I think, for Lows. Is anybody still in Square? Talk to me. Stay with me. I'll show you. Yes, in Square. Are you up? Up? Okay. All right, we'll see what this
I'm a
goes.
PMCB light.
I'm watching your guys' contract right now. Just FYI, Pfizer just broke $50. I don't know which way. Lows. Hey, I think I might take Lows. Oh my god, why are you so expensive right now? All right, here we go, back in Square. Great push, guys. Make sure right now we have the strength so far to potentially leave some runners, but great job if you got in Square. I wish I would have gotten with you. I am sad. Tesla. Yeah, watch Tesla 682.50. That's my target.
AZRX is pushing.
Upstart. Shit. Oh, it's already gone.
Roblox.
Yeah, I'm still watching Roblox. I still want it above 80.80. Out of on Tesla. Alright, Square is fighting, guys. 2 minutes left in this 5-minute candle, so it might be good to take some exposure off of this. Let's go to the 1 minute here. Let's see what it's building. Alright, so 1 minute showing some strength here. Let's see if we can get some continuation. 9-day moving average at 264.35. So a pullback here is going to be rough. So we need to hold and maintain strength here. There we go. Let's go get that wick. Eat it. There we go. Let's give these boys some money. Boys and girls. Whomever. Shut up.
Garrett, what's your gender?
No, I mean, it's Jerome Powell. That's my
Jerome Powell, I like it.
That's my that it just caught me off guard, you know, when someone asked me. I'd never been asked before.
Dude, I've never been asked.
I was inspired. After that, I was like, I gotta make a video. Yo, if you got in on Lowe's, Brian, yeah, Roblox is kind of got the juice, guys. We could see this one at 85 today. I know that sounds absolutely crazy, but like 82.50 and then 85. That's only if we have.
If anybody got in PMCB when I just signaled it like 3 minutes ago, it's halted.
Oh, nice. Hey, are you still in PMCB with me, Swappy?
Oh, you guys got in this morning?
Yes.
Nice.
Oh, there's Roblox. Oh. What are we looking at? Square? Alright, guys, Square. Square. If you guys are still in Square, good looks, good hands. Hopefully we can go ahead and cruise and crush past this level. Where are we at? We are at 2. Alright. Let's see if we can break this high. I might sneak one more in there. I might add. Let's see. Let's see what the strength looks like. So far, so good. Yeah, volume is above average on at the moment. So let's see what Square can muster. It's got a wick fill. I don't know if it's going to be able to push this one. Volume is out pretty good though. There we go. There we go. Okay. Okay, Square. Here we go. Let's see. Come on. I haven't entered or anything. I'm just watching. Alright, so you guys see where Roblox just pulled back to? If you look at my chart, 80.80. Microsoft. Microsoft, hot dog. You know what? I'm not going to watch this one just run away again. I might grab just a speculative. $197.50 or 50 cents. I'd rather get a 195 at a minimum. Low might not be Lowe's might not be a bad idea to go, and it's really struggling here, but it might be a good idea to go long on that one as well. Viacom, I know you're in. Aren't you long on this one, Atlas?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, they've got a price target raised to $60. I think they're starting to look for a recovery.
All right, finally we're gonna break out of the hellhole it's been in.
I was gonna say volume's relatively high right now. I'm tempted to grab a contract, but there's probably better opportunities elsewhere. So, all right, guys. Square's got a bounce here. I hope, is anybody still in this trade? I hope you guys trimmed a little bit of exposure. So for me, I kind of looked away. Oh fuck, dude, Lowe's. Sorry, excuse my language, but damn. I know Brian's in Lowe's, dude. Great job, Brian. You
Guys,
see,
keep
Fuck up.
IHPI on watch. Not IH, I'm sorry. AHPI. AHPI.
oh my god.
I think it's setting up for a reversal.
Yo, what is going on here?
With what?
Lowe's.
No, with Lowe's.
Dude, Brian, let's go, dude.
Order filled.
That's what I'm talking about. Great job, man.
Whoa, the volume on Lowe's, dude. Where is that coming from?
I don't know, but I just grabbed a $200 call. And that's it. I'm also watching VIAC here. I'm about to grab a Viacom. I think I'm gonna grab a $41 call. I should have grabbed Lowe's earlier on my own entry. I missed it, but I just grabbed just one. So
Order filled.
all right, I got a Viacom call. All right, trim out, man. If you got in on that early push, it's good to trim here in this range. I mean, it's got 200 to beat. So I may hold on to that. All right, square. Anybody in? You only have one square contract. All right, might be getting time. We should get a bounce here. These candles are starting to look bouncy, so just wait for the bounce to cut. All right, Roku to the downside. Potentially, this one's not looking good. It looks like it's gonna go for that support bounce. Let's see what it does. I'm not gonna jump the gun on it, but I'm really happy for you, Brian. I would go out till next week on VIAC at least. All right, there's your bounce on square. Sorry, those of you on YouTube, guys, I'm looking at the Discord chat, so I apologize. I can't really. Will you call out small account play? Yeah. I'm gonna signal it in the Discord too, so.
Dash is going pretty strong right now.
Guys,
Yeah.
if you're in PMCB, we're up a lot. So, if you need to trim.
Alright. See how Cruz can. Guys, if you scalp square, great job. Looks like it's probably time to go ahead and skedaddle. Gonna go ahead and call it, I would say, right below these wicks. So if it bounces here and gets above the 9, maybe you've got some life left in you, but. Alright, Lowe's. Lowe's retest, I imagine. If you're in weeklies on Lowe's, yo, look at Microsoft. Microsoft, jeez, 195 call for this week. Short Comcast, I know. Oh no, Mandingus, you're too late, brother. Mandingus, you can't, you're too late.
VRPX unhalted.
Talk to me,
VRPX
guys.
moving up.
Yo, UPS, what in the hell? Gap. People are exploiting the gap. It's too late for me. I really want to short Roku though. I'm trying to like stop myself, but it really looks like it wants to go down. Yo, UPS up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I should have grabbed that call, dude. What the fuck? Wow. It's in the gap, so let it ride, I guess. Yeah, UPS. Costco is also running, guys.
All right, guys.
Jesus
PMCB,
Christ!
gonna make a second leg. There it is.
Wow. I think Lowe's may be holding here. Let's see what happens. Pin. Oh, pin down, guys. Watch pin puts. How much is... Those might be a good small account play. Why is gambling stocks dumping? $65 put on Pin. Oh my god, the spread on those is ugly. I'm not doing that. Nope. Take that somewhere else. Wow, did anybody catch lows? Or UPS, excuse me. Shit, man. My alert didn't go off on that. I'm a little upset about that. You're in Costco?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Look at that, guys. That's, man, that is why I wanted Roblox to hold and break past 80-80. It shot 81 and that 115-minute candle pulled all the way back. All right, UPS looks like it's going to pull back here on the 1. So if you guys scalped that, good job. Lowe's looks like it's going to go for another leg up. The volume on Lowe's is outstanding. I got to tweet about it. So that's what you do. There's the pullback. I have UPS. Caught UPS for 30%. Nice. Guys, remember this market. Be in and out when you can. Not a lot of day trades probably going to be available. Not a ton anyway. AMD, that is looking like the beginning of a potential red candle. The downside here. Yeah, it broke out of that pennant to the downside. Watch below 105.85. Microsoft's still doing its thing though. Still holding up pretty well. Lowe's trying to hold itself up. Viacom, not the best. I'm not really happy with that one. This could be very choppy, guys, so. Yo, did you see? So you saw? Okay, so you saw why I signaled that, or why I said that. There you go. And what does that candle tell us? That buyers took it up, and then sellers took it back, right? And they stopped it out below that previous wick. That's a reversal sign. Target. Alert just went off. Oh, hey guys, watch target above 251. It has a gap to fill, so watch target. Target. Oh god, here we go. I think that thing's about to get the gas, dude. Hold on a second. Target contracts are a little inflated though, so maybe not. Oh my god, if you guys took pin puts. The spread was whack, but damn.
Guys, start trimming out of PMCB if you got in with me. I'm not staying in for the whole trade. We don't have like the best average, so if you got in with Garrett, he's still holding, so you guys are still within profit.
Dash. Tesla. Dash is going good, man.
Yeah. Don't say that. You don't want it to hear you. All right, everything's. Oh my God! Did anybody grab Microsoft? Sheesh! Let's go! Oh man. Yeah, Pfizer. I gave you guys the $50 break earlier alert, but I don't play Pfizer. I don't know why, but it just feels wrong. Every time I do it, even if I end up with money, I feel like I did like something bad. Briston, are you in Microsoft?
Oh, Dash.
Is Dash going crazy, man?
Yep.
How? Oh my God, dude, you guys start taking profits. Lowe's going for high of day here, guys. Let's go, Lowe's.
Damn, bro, Dash cleaned up a whole day in 2 candles. Fuck.
I did.
I said, fuck that. Alright, so I'd like to see a new high here on Lowe's, but I wouldn't be surprised if we saw consolidation at this point, but Viacom's is not moving great. The volume was high. Yo, look at this, dude. Too late. I already caught that one. Square two. What is Square doing now? Did it rebound or?
Oh, Robin Hood.
Oh shit.
Pop.
Yo, Pfizer going. Watch.
I've been calling Robin Hood and I'm muted.
Hood has earnings today.
Did anybody get into Target right here? Yo,
I was wondering
Bumble.
where you were, Georgie.
No, I was speaking with myself.
You were doing what?
Speaking with myself.
Oh, I thought. Never mind.
Shopify popping right now.
Lowe's, let's go. Please.
Oh, they have earnings today, right? After the bell.
There's UPS second right up.
Oh,
Teslas.
please.
Come on, Lowe's. You know, Lowe's actually looks better fundamentally, at least from my perspective, than HD does. It's kind of crazy.
I've never looked at their fundamentals in detail, but I
should-
wouldn't be surprised, man.
They run a tighter ship.
Yeah, I was getting ready to say. Lowe's like 7 or 8 years ago, absolute trash fundamentals. They got a new CEO like 4 years ago, and he's been on a year-to-year contract.
Yeah.
And he's been doing really well. I know a couple people that work at corporate already.
Brian, are you still in Lowe's or what? Or did you? What did you get in this morning, Brian? I'm sorry. I thought it was HD for a second. I confused myself. Dude, you're making money, man. Hell yeah, dude. This is awesome. You made some money on GM and rocking out on Lowe's today. So, all right. Hell yeah, dude. Good day. I'm up nicely on Lowe's at the moment. Let's fucking go. I'm unsure when to TP. Great. Okay, that's really awesome because now we can find out when is a good time to TP. So look at the volume right now. So you see how the volume candle is starting to pick back up, right? Right when we saw that push, we started seeing really, really good volume. Buyers are in there. So at this point, we're getting another burst. So if it depends on for me, I'm going to go ahead and take some profit off the table now. 198 is a good mark, and I would suspect a little bit of a pullback. But 200, you know, that psychological of 200 number 200 is always going to be. There's VIAC, guys. Good patience. Hopefully, we see a breakout here. Yeah, don't be too greedy, but it is a play that because due to the volume, that is my number one thing. Due to the volume, could make for a good runner opportunity. So.
Wow, Tesla.
Yep.
Is Tesla your Esla? Elsa? Oh, it's up against the 15-minute 200-day. Oh, this is the target we gave this morning, yo. Let's see if it breaks it. If it breaks it, 688 or 689. UPS, guys, watch UPS to go for high of day here. Here's the mail. Oh my God, go Lowe's.
Georgie, volume looks really good on Tesla.
AZRX is
Tyler,
too.
you bought Target and sold it. Great job, dude. Did you scalp it? Oh, Lowe's, let's go! Hee
Anyone?
Dude, wow, the thing's on a freaking tear.
I know, man.
Things must have been really good.
Let's go. This is the day to go into. Yeah, today. Yeah, this morning was. Wait, today is earnings after hours.
Yeah, they had it already. They missed.
Oh, great. They love it. I love it when companies miss.
That's wow. They missed and it completely went on a tear.
Is it that bad of a miss, or?
They missed by 6%. I mean, it's not bad, but you know, it's a miss. That's why I'm kind of surprised. But maybe their guidance is really positive. If their guidance is really positive, then that might have made up for it.
Okay, we're at R1.
What tends to happen sometimes is that if a miss is driven by something like that was completely out of the company's control,
I got a TP.
like let's say they had a warehouse catch on fire and it destroyed millions and millions of dollars of inventory.
Yeah.
Insurance is going to reimburse a portion of that, and investors won't really look at that as being the company's fault.
Yeah.
So they'll kind of like push that stuff aside and adjust those numbers out.
Hey, real quick. This is R1 on the daily for lows. This is going to be a resistance point. We may see a pullback here. So I'm going to go ahead and TP.
Order filled.
There it is. I'm done. I'm out. I'm out of lows. It could definitely go more, but I'm happy with the profits, and I'm also happy to re-enter. But I see a pullback coming, but I could be wrong. I'm totally wrong. So anyway, go ahead.
George,
Sorry.
you said something about American? Sorry,
Yeah.
Garrett.
No, you're fine.
The pounds.
Yeah, that's some strong volume.
VIAC, guys. We're up.
Guys,
We're back.
If you didn't trim PMCB, you're like back. You're almost back at my entry. You're not back at my entry, but you're almost back at my entry. So you should have trimmed. This thing's halted down now.
Let's go, VIAC. Hey, yuck. Go out, good TPs.
You see that video I sent you last night?
Oh no, why? Am I?
On Instagram with the guy going, "Hey, yep," on the airplane.
Yeah.
No, that's different. He's saying, "Can I get a yuck?" Or yeah? There's no K. He's a degenerate.
Sorry, bro.
Unlike me, who I have.
Yeah.
You need to. There's different classes of yucking. Okay, so if you.
Georgie,
Alright.
you saw it, right?
Georgie is the premier class. When Georgie yucks, the world stops.
Dude, when I saw it, all I could
DJ.
think of was like, oh shit, this is like 45-year-old Garrett.
Yeah, but bro, I don't think I don't do like, bro, that was the cringiest thing I've seen in a long time, bro. I was like,
It was
that-
cringy, but it was pretty funny. Though.
it was funny, but it was just like, bro, that plain vibe was like, yeah, rough. All right, you Lowe's pull back, man. I am no prophet, but I could see that pullback coming a mile away. It may not be a big pullback. It might just taper here. So Neo, massive volume, massive. Oh, volume is okay. Let's look back in relativity. So look at the 15-minute with me, and take a peek at the volume. We always start off with strong volume like this. Viacom, guys, I think it's still got more juices. So what?
What was that, bro?
That was me thinking.
Oh god, that's hilarious.
Tesla 720 calls coming in for Friday and August 27th. 720 calls, Tesla.
Guys, I'm
Guys.
still watching Amazon for a bounce.
The video.
So I want to get Amazon down to
AMD.
if you look at the hourly 3226.34 is a great bounce level on Amazon. If we can just retest that like once on the hourly,
Snee, not yet.
The upside. What?
No, I was just saying, Snee, wait.
Oh, gotcha.
Anyway, go ahead. You can keep going. I didn't mean to interrupt you, but
If we can just get Amazon down to that 3225, 3226 level, I'll take it long from there. I'm just waiting for a pullback there. Gotta be patient with Amazon. And the one thing that I do love about it is that as it's continuing to fall, its volume is dying, which kind of gives us a better opportunity to catch that bounce as well. And confirm that there's a potential bounce.
SGOC. Halted. I've played that before.
Yeah, we
Oh.
played that one a decent bit.
That's a big green
Wow.
Negus right there. Okay, 9-day. This one goes to 631. Let's place our bets. I'm just kidding. That's literally why you buy the stock.
Oh, and SGOC, dude.
Yeah.
I'm trying to look. They filed the 6K this morning. Let me see what it's about.
Did you guys TP a little bit of Microsoft? If you go look back, it literally rejected 194.85, which is that previous high back here, after hours high, on the dot. Good TPs all around, guys. Lows, good TP there. This one's still got more. I think it still has more, so don't sleep on it. Let's set some alerts on it. I'm setting an alert at 199.52. If you have runners on it, it's probably okay. I went ahead and TP'd. It was a little heavier. AMD puts though, bruh. I'm not shorting it yet though. I don't short support. And if you could get whacked at that point. I'd rather take a bounce.
All right, guys. Amazon's at entry, so let's see what it's gonna do.
What are you guys watching? Yeah, this music is jamming, dude. Neo puts. I'm watching. I'll be honest with you. I'm watching AMD a little bit. All right, now watch Nvidia. Watch Nvidia to bounce and hit 195.85. I keep seeing MUDs. Why do I keep seeing MUDs? Why is MUDs ripping, dude? Look at MUDs. Wow. Wow. Okay, yo, lows. Okay, 199. Brian, do you have runners on that? Or are you taking off? No runners? Okay, no big deal. We got a great trade on that one. You had a great fill. It's probably gonna hit 200 and reject. We'll see what happens. If it doesn't, I'm gonna throw up and cry, but that's fine.
All right, guys. I'm in Amazon 3280s.
Good Nvidia bounce. Let's see if AMD gets a bounce. I highly doubt it, but yo, MUDs is going for a major breaking downtrend. Do you guys see that how the HMA on lows? See how it's curved it? Oh man, MUDs. Okay. That's a SPAC, right?
I think it was a SPAC.
Yes. Atlas is in calls for Amazon.
Yep. Don't enter yet if you haven't entered.
What are you guys in calls?
I'm in 3280 calls, but I'm saying don't enter yet if you haven't. Because the bounce is struggling now.
Yeah, your volume's weak. Look at SPY. Hold on a second. Yeah, I think you still have a 3225 that you could see. There's 200 on lows, so let's watch for a rejection. I'm a little bummed, but that's okay. I'm not really bummed. We TP'd like a few cents ago, so I'm happy with today's trades overall. We didn't go crazy, but I know a lot of people were able to catch a good handful of stuff, so that makes me happy.
Big stepper. I'm watching Bobo with you. Looking for that bounce as well.
Zero bummed here. Yeah, there's no bummed. That's the greed in me being bummed. You shut up, greed. What about you guys on YouTube? How's everybody doing? DJ, it's okay. Hey, you got a full dude. I'm actually stoked for you because you can play a little bit more and we can find even better setups. Because right now people are getting faked out, people are buying, chasing, and losing money. So you're dope, dude. But we can step off and You stole Comcast? Am I allowed to be bummed? You gotta go to the gulag.
Did anyone get an American airline?
No, I got kicked
I
off.
caught a couple shares off of that balance, Georgie, but not too much. I only got the 100.
Apple now? No. Yeah, wow. That is, you know, I'm gonna stay far. If you
That's
take
not coming
that,
back.
that's totally cool. That's the coolest, but I'm gonna not. That's a spicy. That's a spicy meatball. Don't get mad at me if anybody's Italian. Sorry, my accent's off. Actually, hold on.
I'm Italian, bro. I'm very, very offended.
Are you hurt? Oh god, Big Stepper's hurt too.
Big
Shit.
Stepper.
Oh god. You guys want shares of Simple Stacks? Here, we also have another Italian too. Where's
Shit,
he
we
at?
IPO.
I'm not half Italian, so I'm half offended.
You in 3300s? Ooh, you went. Oh, you went a little further out than I did. Okay, you went $20 further than me. All right, I'm up, guys. I'm up 6% on my Amazon contract.
Yeah, we need this candle to flip over. And you, if anything, retest 3240. That would be a nice retest.
If it retests 3240, I'm more than likely taking profit.
Agreed. That would be a good profit taking place.
Yeah.
I see the volume a bit higher than
On who? STOC unhalted. What'd you say, Georgie? Sorry.
BlackBerry.
Mm.
Watch.
Okay, options. Always copy snips. Show selected snips. No, I need to, in a future update, Windows, can I make this a shortcut? Select the snip tool using mode button or click new button. What the fuck does that mean?
Volume in ANC climbed in.
Alright, well I guess I'm gonna have to... Alright, Amazon's rejecting.
Yeah.
You're gonna see 32. You might need to... Oh, Lowe's. Dude, Lowe's is about to climb above its HMA, dude. What the fuck? Damn. Alright, maybe a little FOMO here. I'm glad to sneeze. Did you get out of, John, what do you got going on, man? Did you take anything or too late or... Chasing? Deep breath, dude. We're gonna hit it. We're gonna hit it again right after lunch. We're gonna wait. We actually have a lot of things that are kind of potentially gonna set up really well. But I think right now it's a good time to step back. So for sure, everything is kind of ran. A lot of things are dropping down to supports, which is good in some sense. So,
All right, guys. I'm gonna cut Amazon if we break 32.25.
there you go. All right, this is where I would want. This is your third test of support. You know, you could straddle this. Well, I wouldn't go that far, but
The reason I don't want to straddle it's because it's at a really strong demand zone.
Yeah.
Gareth, look at Pinterest. Man, this one is tanking. Pins.
There goes Tesla.
up, down, all around. Where are we going?
Up.
Yeah, look at AMD trying to go down. I really want to short it. I want to short it. I can't do it though. Nah, I don't know. I don't trust it. Yo, Target. Yo, is anybody in Target? If you took target with me, 255, but I think I got to go ahead and get out. Viacom's, I might have to just cut. This thing's moving down. Hold on a second. It's flagging. Alright, I'm going to set an alert on it. As long as it holds 40-50, I'm Gucci. Yo, it's 10 o'clock, guys. Hey, John. How we doing on the broker switch? Just asking. I really think, John, that it is okay. So you're in Trade Station now? You're a trade. Awesome, cool. Do you have hotkeys set up yet? All right, let's talk about getting this set up, man. Whether you need help or talk. I really think that with the style of trading you're trying to try, or trying to do that, those are going to be your best friend. Because you need to be in and out as quick as possible. And I also will mention, and I don't know if you're doing this, make sure that you are playing the chart and you have multiple time frames up and not your contracts. Because especially with weeklies, and if you're having trouble with the weekly stuff, like just go out next week and just keep the expiration a little bit long. But oh Jesus, bottle 155. But no, let me know if we need to catch up on and maybe get the hotkey stuff, or that way you can kind of and hotkeys can be on your keyboard, so. But that would just help you a lot, man. I think that, oh, hey guys, keep your eyes on Microsoft bouncing back up here. But yeah, man. I imagine Costco, Walmart probably trying to bounce back. Yeah, so Costco just opened up a new hourly candle, 45. Oh, look at the flag on Costco. Set an alert on that one, 355. I'm still in VIAC.
All right, guys. I am still holding Amazon. If we get a nice little leg up here, I'm taking profit because I'm green right now.
Did you bounce off that support? Oh, you did.
Yeah,
nice.
It hasn't touched 825, but it touched not 825.
It's at 32. Yeah.
Yeah, you know what I mean.
Yeah, I knew. Yeah, I got you.
We touched 33.26. There we go. I think I'm gonna take profit here, guys. We're green. I don't want to sit in this trade too red.
Can I offer?
Go for it.
Okay, I would say 32.37 would be a good place to trim first. But with the setup that you just made, let's go to the one minute really quick. So you just made a falling wedge reversal. So right now, I would look at my screen if you can.
I see the trend line coming from the top.
Right. Yeah. So look at that.
Yeah.
So you got more juice. I think. So 32, 35, and then really the 200 right here. So you could. I mean, you're bouncing. Look at this. So I mean, it's obviously I don't want to. Mess with your risk management or anything like that. But
no, you're good. I think
it's a good place to TP though. Honestly,
yeah.
If you had a runner, maybe might be good to kind of mess with it. It's a weekly, but I think that with the bounce that you're getting, what level are you at right now? Well, on the hourly. Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah, we're at the main bounce level. That's why I think I got in a little too early. I got in like one candle too early.
Yeah. Look at that.
Because I got in at 10 o'clock exactly. I should have gotten in at 10:10 instead.
Yeah. VIAC looks like it's going to make a little leg up here, guys. Costco.
All right, guys. I'm going to TP Amazon just to take some profit and walk away from the trade.
Great job.
It could reverse even stronger. If anybody's running more than one contracts, maybe trim one and hold another. But just with my risk management, I'd rather take profit because it's in a choppy area. If we see continuation, we could potentially re-enter.
Hut. That one was on my scanner this morning. Hut 6 Mining Corporation. I like
I'm a big fan of this company, and I'm swinging it long. I have 250 shares accumulated so far.
God dang it, dude. Do you guys remember when I called AG FY Agrify?
Yeah.
I might do it again. Goofy style.
Is it on the base?
It's got an interesting setup. It's on a big support. Hey. Yuck. Hold on a second. Not yet. I'm watching it. VIAC though, we're about to be in the money, baby. 10 cents, let's go.
On PMCB, I re-entered on a dip. I didn't get to signal it because I had a limit order set and it actually triggered by itself. But I think this thing could potentially get some VRPX type of moves. So we just need to make sure we watch this one today. And if it continues to make uptrends, start adding on pullbacks.
That is a lot of data. Oh.
Awesome. Glad you made some money on that Amazon sneak. Hell yeah.
I don't know if anybody saw my TikTok last night, but PLTR is buying gold bars right now.
Dude, what is up with that?
In preparation for a potential Black Swan event. Yo, look at Sava. Hey, Dim. Habalaba Sava. Wow, look at that thing. I wouldn't touch that yet, but 113 looks good. Yo, watch NVIDIA here. Watch NVIDIA here. Check this out. Look at this setup I'm going to show you guys. So watch NVIDIA, 195.65. If it doesn't make it there, then watch it below that 195 even. Wow, Lowe's giving me just a very mild amount of FOMO.
I can't believe it's still going, bro.
Yo, watch NVIDIA. Watch it. Did you see that bounce on NVIDIA? Hey, we're up 22% on VIAC, guys. Great job. FOMO on Lowe's. Here it is. Hey. I'm dead. Masito,
Oh, dude, that was a look at Amazon now. Solid exit. On this candle, anyway. This thing could potentially just reverse and go back to 3250, but solid exit.
Yeah. Yo, I think NVIDIA might be fire here. Watch NVIDIA, my guys and girls and whoever's. Check this out. It's not, I mean, it could go culty. My children. I'm just kidding.
My children. Oh,
God. Leave. Yo, VIAC, baby. Let's go. Hot damn, Lowe's is right, man, Brian. That's why I was like runners, but I TP'd fully out of that one. I'm happy with the trade, dude. It was a great trade. No, I'm not. I'm sad. All right.
I'm surprised this is not reversed since it's at 200. It's an old industrial, company. It's a good growth stock. It's
high as 215. Yeah.
Ooh, that Amazon exit was beautiful now. Look at that.
Oh, dude, now I'm gonna short it. Off the 9, we were crushing. Dude, we crushed that. That was a good tag. I wasn't in that, but like that was a good tag team right there.
That was perfect. That level was perfect, man. You called it out.
Speaking of PRTR, just met high of the.
That's funny. Yes, come in.
I need help.
What happened? It's a bug. All right, guys, hold on. I gotta fight nature. What are you? That's a creepy.
Okay, alright.
We could. We could, Austin, 100%. Let's see what it does near that level.
Roblox coming back to life.
Alright. What's happening? Yes! We're in the money on VIAC! Yes, the old walk away tactic works again. If I pretend not to care, it'll go farther. Yo, PLTR? What are we doing? Are we going long? I'm in long anyway, forever. I'll always have PLTR shares. Yo, PLTR out of a massive flag. Holy crap. Atlas, you there?
Yeah, sorry, bro.
Do you see PLTR right now?
PLTR.
Dude.
I'm in shares, actually. Is it fine?
It's not fucking A. Lows.
The volume looks good, dude.
Fuck, dude. Lows. God damn it.
That 2435 level is a key level on PLTR.
Dude, I gotta walk away.
It's like a zone.
Why did I cut lows?
You didn't cut lows?
No, I did cut lows.
Oh.
No, PLTR's setup right now is fucking gorgeous.
It's nice, dude. I like it.
Yeah.
I'm in shares already. I have a average of 2420.
What the fuck?
I got that a couple days ago.
Yo, Viacom's though. I guess that helps soothe the. All right, gap fill on target, guys. I'm out on half of everything on that one. If anybody got target. All right, I feel the ooh, hymns. Some dude on TikTok just loves that stock, and every time he gets on, he's like, "Have you seen hymns?" I'm like, "No, I haven't."
It's been getting crushed, hasn't it?
Yeah, I know. Well, he made a lot of money, I guess, on the upside, and then it got crushed. I didn't hear from him for a while, and then he commented some.
And then he's back for it again.
That's one thing I'm really grateful for is that I've never been married. When I do get married or get attached to a stock, I figure out very quickly that I gotta leave, or I end up pulling out a restraining order on myself, like with Baidu. Like you've seen it, you guys see what happens when you get married to it.
Baidu,
Shut! Don't you? All right, calm down. No, we don't have to talk about Nicola. Okay,
Maxar.
I guess Sunday with the Starbucks.
There you go. Yeah, Starbucks.
What the bro?
Oh, dude, VIAC, baby, let's go.
I can name all of them, Georgie. I know every single one he's been married to.
What's up? Starbucks.
Yeah, GSAT.
GSAT was a good one though. I left that. I left that alone. When it was time to leave, I left. I can confident.
I bought the dip.
Yeah, you bought the two.
Ethos.
Hey, it worked.
Ethos.
Kodak. I don't play Kodak ever. I realized very quickly that after I tried to play iBio, I was like, nah, it's not gonna work. I'm just gonna stop.
Dude, Kodak was your. I
was like my kickoff, my black powder.
Your crazy moment.
Yeah, that was one of those. I'm gonna hit it again one day. Sava, Sava was one of those moments where I called it at 35, right? At least for I was like, this is a good entry right here, and then I remember just looking away.
And then you come back and it's up.
Yeah, it's literally like a totally different stock. Yo, if you guys are in VIAC, dude, we are crushing it right now. These were cheap as shit. I love it. I'm up 62% on this entry on VIAC. My rationale, if you guys didn't hear this morning, is they got price upgrades, a multitude of price upgrades that are finally up and out of the range that they've been trading in. How many contracts did I get on VIAC? I grabbed about 500 of them. No, I'm just kidding. No, I was in about 25 contracts. I've trimmed a few at new highs, but I'm about to go ahead and get out of here.
Have you seen SGOC?
Yeah, it's on a freaking rocket ship, and I can't find any news, bro.
I think it just found its bottom. Like, do you guys remember when it did this that day? It went to like 30. It was just like up halt.
Yeah.
So
This is what
I think.
You talking about SGOC?
Yeah. So I think it's just found its bottom, and now that it's getting some volume, it's just people are starting to pile into it because they remember you know, what happened before.
760 is where we're gonna see some real shorts hit, I think. Damn, dude, VIAC is gassing right now. I love it. You know, I can't even look at lows. This is still going.
What's up, bro?
RSLS.
Oh shit! It's finally waking up.
Yo, UPS was a good play. Lows, yeah, lows and Target. Yo, Target, good TP. Yuck. I'm gonna set an alert at 256.20.
Georgie, the last 2 days, really decent volume. I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna get in RSLS. I like this stock.
Hey, Coors 83. I'd recommend cracking a cold one and taking some profit off the table there, dude. A cold whatever you would like. I'm not recommending you drink alcohol. I'm not a bartender. Holy shit, never mind. As soon as I said that, dude, it took off. Volume just screamed into VIAC. Good shit, man. 70% on that contract.
I did short that one time.
VIAC.
When it was falling with Bill Wang.
Yeah. I made good of money on it.
Yeah, but VIAC volume looks good.
50, maybe for VIC.
That'd be awesome.
Central's 130.
Good. Listen, guys. You wanna? I'm just giving you my strategy. You know what I don't do, and as soon as I say this, Atlas is gonna know exactly why. You know what I don't do is before really fun, exciting events, take positions on a company. Period. Ever. Like
the news.
Because AMD was a chop in the throat. I learned that.
Bro, that was a kick in the nads.
Yeah, that was rough. I was up like a lot.
I know.
Yo, PMCB halted. Let's go.
Are we? I haven't even looked at it. If anybody got that fill, dude, holy shit! Let's go. Swappy.
Oh, yeah, you got a killer fill, man. I didn't even know you were in.
Yeah, I'm in. I signaled this one at 573.
Damn, you guys got a good fill.
And Swappy got like 4 something, dude. He's crushing it.
Shit.
I just looked at my PMCB totals. Yo, just throwing limit orders ahead of my car.
Dude, that's the best, honestly.
Yeah.
You just throw them out there, it catches them, and boom.
GRVI. Yo, GRVI. Wow, that one's pushing up strong too.
I'm still watching Amazon, guys, seeing what this thing's gonna do.
I'm about to go ahead and step away. It's 10:30.
Moderna, look at Moderna.
Guys, the earlier you get up, the better. I promise. NVIDIA. I'm not touching it, my guy. It's holding the 9. Looks great for that, but VIAC, guys, might be a good time to take profit on those runners. If you guys trimmed up there, Great job. I think this is going to get a little bit of a pullback to the 9 more than likely. But
Yeah. Look at modern water pounds.
yeah, B7. I know you guys. I'll tell you what, and I am trying to find a good swing trade. Go look at something with a catalyst. Like let's say. Oh, hold on 1 second. I just got an alert on something. Crocs? Oh shit, Crocs. Oh damn. That's why.
BLTR, let's go. Keep pumping, baby.
What's happening
Don't
with
stop.
PSR? Oh shit.
Yo, how's Baba? Big Stepper, did it finish consolidating? I know you said you were watching it. Ooh, no, it's still going.
I'm gonna wait till the middle end of the day to start watching for those. To be honest with you.
For reversals?
No. Why are leaps on PLTR so cheap?
Yeah, they are cheap.
Holy shit.
What are you looking at, strike-wise?
Like $36 call for like fucking December?
Do you want to put some Jimmy leaves?
Yeah, that sounds fun.
Yeah, because it's at the low of the day.
What contract are you looking at? I always aim for. I was, hold on, let me think about this for a second. January doesn't.
Bulletin tweets, we are excited to announce that the pause feature will finally be available on Bulletin Pike and the thread. Please stay tuned for official launch date. What Bulletin doing?
Question. This music is chill, yeah. You know what? I am very tempted to take PLTR, but not yet.
You want to take in the money or out of the money contracts?
Probably go out of the money. Yo,
Jimmy.
yeah, Jamie. Papa John's. Wow.
A 25 call, as example, for January 2023, it's 560.
That's not bad. You said $20 call?
25.
25.
Yeah, the 25 is 620. Yeah.
Oh, wow, Spotify and WW Inc. exclusive podcast is, yeah. Ugh, stop showing me pictures of shots. The U.S. will widely distribute COVID-19 booster shots next month. New data shows vaccine production wanes over time.
Did you say production wanes over time, or like a?
It says shows that vaccine production wanes over time. Yeah, that's.
What does that mean?
I just gonna start to slow, I guess. Yo, watch. 203.50 for lows. Watch lows here. This might be that flag that you were looking at.
PMCB high of day.
What were you saying about vaccines, Scared? I didn't hear you clearly.
Vaccine good. Virus
No,
bad. I said. What did I say? How about this? I'll copy the article, and I'll
You just
post
post it
in
in
chat.
chat. Perfect.
Y'all interpret that headline how you want. John said SE. Did we miss SE? Oh. I need more volume than that on a day like this. It's a good time to take a break, though. If you guys are green, good time to take a break, too. What's wrong? Did something pull back?
No, just the article that you posted.
Shit. Dude, NVIDIA. If NVIDIA goes, 197 is going to be that target for me. But I don't really, I'm not super crazy about the setup. Holy shit, SC though. I haven't played SC in so long, I forgot the price action on it. I don't even remember how this thing trades. Hopefully we see a pop here on Viacom. Alright, can I chart anything for anybody? Take a look at any positions for you guys. I'm going to go ahead and get to work on a couple of different things here.
UXIN.
I played that.
You played that? Okay.
Played it before.
Oh, you played it before. I thought you meant today. Let's see. Yeah, I think I remember us playing this. This is like a software company or something.
It was
Yep, tech services software. Volume looks decent. You just put in a bottom. See what it does with this coming up level 321. That must be an important level because I have that already on the chart. And I haven't traded this thing in a while.
why I took my eyes on Axe today. This thing ran without me today. Look at it.
You're still in your
No, I have, but I didn't day trade it. Every day I day trade it.
So
Look at X.
okay, hold on a second. Oh my god, dude, PLTR, what the fuck? I just looked away, it was gone again. Damn, Gary. Oh my god, dude, look at the open interest on the $26 call for August 27th. Look at it. On PLTR, 13,000.
Kathy is buying.
That's really high.
I mean,
That's really high, bro.
So this $25 call for this week open interest is $65,000 or 65. Okay. VIAC. Wow, SC. I missed that one. Sorry. Yeah, be careful with those NPCs or those big sweeps like that are relatively close. I've seen them pull back on me. Hold on 1 second. What? Is new core moving? Oh shit, new bound. Oh man, dude, new bottomed out. Wow, wow. Oh my god, look at new, dude. Go look at the 4-hour chart on new. This might be the swing trade. That might be the swing trade that I'm looking for. Because I would take a 125 call on that one.
And UE, right?
Huh? Yeah.
And UE.
In UE, yeah. Yo, VIAC going for high of day here. Alright guys, I'm green. I'm gonna go ahead and step away here.
Did anyone take America Online?
I did not.
I did. Just shares.
Yeah, Garrett, you gotta step away, man. I need my contracts to go up.
Yeah, so everybody pile in. That's hilarious. Why is Snapchat making a new high? What? Oh my god, yo. Snapchat above 72.81. I don't know, dude, but I'm a little blowed on PLTR right now. I do need to step away.
Oh, you wanted a demand zone or a supply zone? I'm sorry, Sam. That was a supply zone. Demand zone, gotcha. Oh. Should be roughly at 105 to 104. It can bounce anywhere in between that level, but if you break through that, you're just gonna fall like butter. Like there's not a lot of stuff in the way holding you up. So you got to pay attention to the cues. It's not all about just the supply and demand on your stock. So if you're gonna pay attention to an overly hyped stock or a stock that's dumping really hard, right? So it's either running really hard or dumping really hard. You don't need to pay attention to the indice, okay? Because the volume is there no matter what, to the sell side or the buy side. But if you're looking at a stock that's just trading with decent volume on the day, no catalyst, up or down, then you have to pay attention to the indice. Because if you're trading supply and demand zones, you have to make sure you're watching how the indice is performing, that it correlates with the best. Because that's going to change how it reacts to supply and demand zones.
Brian, so you have to look at the situation in which you're playing. So, on AMD...
Yo, Garrett, PLTR volume's nasty now.
Jesus.
Like, it's nasty. That's some strong volume for PLTR, man.
Order rejected.
I'm in equity still. I didn't add to my position, but I'm up.
Order filled.
Yeah, they popped it up to 25 to see if they reverse it. Nice falling wedge. Technical analysis doesn't work, bro. Look at that. Again.
Right. Go. Decent day today, man. Yeah. Not bad price action at all.
All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and take off. Fun morning. Is Lowe's being sold? I'm sorry, I kind of lost my train of thought there. So, so with AMD and other stocks after earnings, you can short them, but you need to be fast, and you really don't want to short something against the grain, right? You could AMD offered a few short opportunities, but they were very, very quick. Speaking of that, I missed my short entry on AMD, but it hasn't actually broken. Oh, it's there. 105.50, below 105.50. I imagine AMD is going to bounce here. Watch AMD to bounce if it doesn't close below 105.50. So high of day on Viacom. If you guys got in 77% on that contract. Oh, we're moving, baby. Let's go. $41 a contract. Let's go. Yeah, don't fight momentum and don't fight the trend. Play with the trend. If the stock is just moving up because the sector's moving up, then at that point, if you see it's come to a rejection point on an inside day, then maybe it does provide that short opportunity, but there's a pretty strong breakout here. It could pull back and go back to like the 200 retest or even the 20 here, but like I said, you would need to be very quick and be able to scalp that. And like, we're looking for continuation when we don't have a lot of contracts, so. Okay. Is VIAC done? The volume's starting to drop. Watch new above 123, guys. I may have to swing that one if it does. So. Alright, no reason to cut VIAC though. The volume is good. Oh, the volume is great. What am I talking about? Look at the volume on VIAC. It's time for launch. You guys know that me and DJ talk about, you know that dude on YouTube who does like the scary, he's like, you'll never believe what happens next. Have you heard of that dude?
You talking about the guy that I said, I don't know why I imagine he looks like, or DJ looks like him in real life.
Yeah, imagine if I did like announce stocks like that. Alright, 256 breakout.
That would be hilarious, bro.
Make sure do not get to chase. If you chase, you likely blow your account. His voice.
That's not a bad setup there, Sam.
On what?
Look at what Sam posted for AMD.
Is it a supply? I had a feeling this, but this is how many times has it touched this zone? Hold on. Let me
The
see.
bottom only twice, so it needs probably another touch.
I don't know if I agree with your support there. I'd have to go chart that one, but
Are you talking about the supply, the demand zone? Or
I was just talking about his trend lines. But yeah, the zones are good though.
Yeah.
Zones are good.
The trend line, I think you could probably go. Let's see.
Number 5. Nero. Nero's doing things. Oh my! Look at that. Nice pop. Okay.
No, I don't love the trend line either, man.
Here, let me. Let me clean it up a little bit. I got you.
Yeah. You know, it does look like a really bad bear flag on the 4-hour. It's like a really bad bear flag.
Yeah, I would even put it up as a bear flag. Yeah, I think. Now this is, I've seen this before where you're almost making like a descending triangle. You know what I mean? So flat bottom there.
Mm-hmm.
Forward leaning resistance. But there's also the probability, right, that we just started the channel entry. Now you can do this with math, right? You can literally, I'll have to pull it up, but I learned how to do this from a YouTube video on standard deviation channels. I'll have to go pull it up. I haven't watched it in a long time, but a lot of the times it's just like if you have that top resistance, you can measure that out. But even just hand drawing this right here, you can start to see, and I would suspect, right, if AMD does break below 104, that it would more than likely see a wee 100. Wow, what language am I speaking right now? $100 retest, which me and Georgie have been kind of talking about for a while. But that's only if it breaks that 20 EMA, and that's at 104.40. So you're really in a zone in which a lot of volatility and a lot of chopping could happen. So team, oh god, oh my god, look at that thing, boy. Yeah, that thing looks like it's about to go rip to 350. Watch team today. Yeah, that looks good. Alright, I gotta get off. Just be patient. Yeah, just be patient and let the play come to you. Yo, team looks stupid good though.
Team does look good.
Like, really
B7,
good.
which level were you talking about? The bottom one or the top one? Here's an easy way to remember it, okay? B7. Supply is above you, demand is below you.
What?
Okay? Supply is above you, demand is below you. You bounce off demand because buyers step in and demand the price of the shares at that level. You reject supply because sellers are waiting up there and selling into that price. Does that make sense?
What the fuck?
What's up?
Just reading about like how Twitter is allowing the Taliban to keep tweeting. Yeah, this is so weird. We fight literal wars and then like they tweet at it. Like they're literally making like TikToks. I'm done. I'm not even gonna go.
They're
into
making
it.
TikTok?
I'm done. Yeah, I'm not even gonna get into it. In both sides.
Bro, PLTR, what happened? Did PLTR just like buy the world or something? Buy Google?
What happened? Oh, we're still going.
It's still going.
Oh, it's at that mark too. Yo, it breaks here and we could see moon time.
2511, yeah.
I don't know, maybe more. Maybe more. Give me more. Oh boy, look at that. I could see $26.82 if we just went parabolic. But I love gold. Alright guys, I gotta go. You guys have a wonderful day. I will see you guys in just a little bit. Hopefully you guys had a good day. I did. So bye bye now.
I'm probably gonna stick around for another 5 minutes and then head out as well.